Chapter 19 History of the Catholicate of the East. We know that the headquarters of Malankara Church is the Catholicate Palace at Devalokam, and the head of the church is His Holiness the Catholicos. The Catholicos reigns on the throne of Saint Thomas. Let us trace the history of the Catholicate. The throne of Saint Thomas. We claim the heritage and tradition of Saint Thomas, the disciple of Jesus Christ. This heritage is known as the faith and tradition of Saint Thomas. The heritage and authority of Saint Thomas, inherited from the earliest times, is considered as the throne of Saint Thomas. The administrators of Malankara Church during various periods of history, including Veda Talavan, the spiritual head, Jatiku Kartavyan, head of the community, archdeacons, Marthoma metropolitans, Malankara metropolitans, and the Catholicos are the real inheritors and successors on the throne of Saint Thomas. Catholicos. The title Catholicos was given to the primates of churches outside the Roman Empire. The word means one who represents the whole, that is, represents all. The title Catholicos was first used by the Metropolitan of Seleucia, Ctesiphon, in the Persian Empire. The Persian councils held in AD 410, 420 and 424 determined the rights and authority of the Catholicos. Catholicate. During the early ages, the development and expansion of the church was mostly local. The title Catholicos was used for the first time in Malankara 1912 with the founding of the Catholicate. The administrators who reigned over Malankara Church prior to 1912 too executed the same administrative responsibility. The position of authority from Veda Talavan to Catholicos gradually evolved through history. Founding of the Catholicate. The Catholicate was established in Malankara on 15 September 1912. The immediate cause of founding an independent Catholicate in Malankara was the illegal excommunication issued to the then Metropolitan of Malankara, Mar Dionysius VI, by Mar Abdullah, Patriarch of Antioch. When Patriarch Abdullah illegally and uncanonically excommunicated Mar Dionysius VI, people of Malankara contacted his predecessor, Patriarch Abded Messiah, who was actually the canonical patriarch, and convinced him about the need to establish an independent Catholicate in Malankara, which is equal to the Antiochian Parisate. Patriarch Mar Abded Messiah had been politically ousted from authority because the Sultan of Turkey had withdrawn the royal recognition. Patriarch Abded Messiah arrived in Malankara in 1912. He elevated Paulos Mar Ivanios Murimathil as the first Catholicos with the title Moranmar Basilius Paulos I. The enthronement took place at Niranam Church. Thus, the Catholicate, which is the symbol of its independent status, became a reality in the Malankara Church. When Mar Dionysius VI passed away in 1934, the two positions of Metropolitan of Malankara and the Catholicos were merged and vested within a single person. The first Catholicos to hold both these posts was the third Catholicos, Moranmar Basilius Georgis II. Thereafter, all the succeeding Catholicoses held both the positions simultaneously. In 1934, Malankara Church drafted and adopted its own constitution. This constitution of the church was adopted 16 years before the Constitution of Independent India was adopted. The Malankara Church could uphold its identity and independence through this constitution. It declared unequivocally that the Catholicos was the spiritual and the material head of the Malankara Church. Just as Catholicate and Mafrianate were founded in the Persian Seleucia and Tigris respectively, in accordance with the specific circumstances prevailing there, the specific circumstances in Malankara too necessitated the establishment of the Catholicate here. The Catholicate of Malankara exists today as the golden lamp in our church history.